Machiegni mesawa mar tuke lipot mabiro mar johera mag Gor Mahia. Opira mabro bedo giko dirani tim adhula mar Gor Mahia kod Tusker notimo rako ka giikore ne rakruok mapek e lig mar adhula ma pacho ka.
Tugo e kinde timbe ariyo gi otisi kaka manyalo biro nyiso kama bendera ochomo ewi tim mabiro kawo kombe no e season ni.
Tusker gi sani gi namba 1 e mesa mar KPL gi points 64 ka luwe kod Gor Mahia points 63. Kocha mar Gor Jonathan McKinsey nyiso yie mabiro yudo loch ka jotugo mag Tusker bende oniano kendo yango ikruok mar kedo gi Gor Mahia.
The guys have been in really good spirits. You know, the training intensity's been good. It's been really good, in fact. And the quality's been there. So, you know, it's been nice to have a few extra days. They had a day off yesterday. And, yeah, back in today now for that sort of, you know, run up to the finish line on Sunday for the game against Tusker. It's another weekend game. I know it's been challenging this season. Some of the games have been midweek. But it's a Sunday game. You know, come out. Hopefully it's good weather. Come out in your thousands and cheer us on for what is going to be a really important game in the title race.
Since we are on top of the league right now, so this is something that will keep us pushing. We are just right now. We're just looking for the Sunday game, of which we are all motivated to win the game, so that we maintain our log.
Mauktin ne jotugo merio gi 50 gene boma mathika giko dirani